Hey there, coffee lovers. I'm Selena, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we're brewing up something special today. We're diving into the GE Profile semi-automatic espresso machine, a sleek Italian-made beauty that's perfect for anyone craving cafe-quality espresso at home. Want to know if this is your next kitchen must-have? Stick around and don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's jump in. First, let's break down the features that make this espresso machine stand out. This is a semi-automatic espresso maker with a 15-bar Italian pump for rich, balanced extraction. It's got a built-in conical burr grinder with 15 adjustable grind settings, so you can dial in the perfect shot from coarse to super fine. The 95-ounce water reservoir means fewer refills, and it's easy to remove for cleaning. The steam wand rotates 180 degrees, giving you control to create creamy microfoam for lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites. Plus, it's Wi-Fi connected, syncing with the SmartHQ app to customize your drink's strength and volume. You also get a stainless steel frothing pitcher, tamper, and cleaning kit right out of the box. Now the pros. This machine looks stunning with its glossy black finish and compact design, fitting nicely on most counters. The grinder is a huge win. Fresh grounds straight into the portafilter make a noticeable difference in flavor. I pulled a double shot in under a minute, and the espresso had a solid crema. The app is intuitive, letting you tweak settings without fuss, and the large water tank means you're not constantly refilling. The steam wand is versatile, making frothy milk for my cappuccinos a breeze. For around $600, it's a great value compared to pricier models like the Breville Barista Express. But there are some cons to consider. The grinder can be messy, spilling grounds if you're not careful, and some users report clogging with finer settings, so you might need to clean it often. The machine's plastic body feels a bit flimsy for the price, and the portafilter's sharp edges can be tricky to handle. Also, the pump can be noisy post-brewing, and there's often water under the drip tray, which means extra cleanup. The app lacks advanced features like temperature control, which might disappoint serious baristas. So, who's this for? I recommend the GE Profile semi-automatic espresso machine if you're a beginner or intermediate home barista who wants a balance of smart tech and hands-on control. It's great for making daily espressos, lattes, or cappuccinos without breaking the bank. If you're a purist who needs precise temperature settings or a fully manual setup, you might want to look at higher-end models. But for most coffee lovers, this machine delivers. Ready to brew like a pro? Click the link in the description to grab the GE Profile espresso machine on Amazon, where you'll find the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Using our link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.